up, everybody? It's your boy Miguel from Perez Auto Detail, and we are here with a GTR freshly wrapped by Moemodz. He is located here in Elmwood Park, New Jersey. So if you guys need any wraps, wheels, tints, chrome delete, whatever you need, make sure to check him out on Instagram at Moemodz, and make sure you let him know that Miguel Perez sent you. He'll get you right. So let's get straight into it. Today we're going to be doing a maintenance wash on this car, and we're going to walk you through every step on how we do it. Stay tuned. Bye. Look at that. This car sounds insane. Position. Let's get started on this detail. So as you guys can see, the rims are very dirty. Calipers need to be touched up. There's a lot of dirt on the car. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to rinse it off with a pressure washer. Here we go. This is why it's good to have a pressure washer, because come check it out. As you guys can see, with just the pressure water, we were able to get a lot of the brake disc off. It just makes the job a lot easier. So by now, we start with the wheels always. So here we're just going to spray some of our wheel cleaner. Let that sit in there, break down the brake dust. And then we're going to scrub. Real nice and simple. We got our bucket right here. Come take a closer look. So we just got to brush all up in there. The wheelbarrow, in between the spokes. With a wash mitt, we're going to get the face of the rim. Get in the caliper. And make sure we get all in here. Depending the pattern of the wheels, you might need a detail brush, or you could get away with a big brush like this. We're just going to go back over this right here. We're going to get right in between the lug nuts. And we're going to brush the tire. Look at that difference. They're all in the building, you know? You know what I'm saying? It's real simple. Brand new. I had to bleep it because I don't know how to edit these videos, so I had to bleep them. But you know what I'm saying. So as you guys probably saw earlier, these exhaust tips are filthy. Come check them out. Since this car does spit flames, they've got a lot of dust, dirt all over them. So we're just gonna spray some of our cleaner right here. And with our wash mitt specifically for tires and things like this. Tires, rims, exhaust tips. Water in your exhaust tip, but once the car starts back up, it'll clear it up. You gotta just clear all that water out. Give it a nice little shake, both the doors open. There, guys. So remember, make sure to wash your car in even patterns, up and down. No circular motion. This is no good if you're doing this on the paint. And also, wash the car from top to bottom. Since the bottom of the car tends to be a lot dirtier, like I said in my last video, if you wash from down here and come back onto the top, you're creating so now we're just gonna rinse off the Toyota Supra. You thought I didn't know which car I was washing now. GTR. Easier, we're gonna blow off as much water as we can from the windows, the cracks in the car, the wheels, and then we're just gonna dry the car and spray some wax. What we're gonna do is we've got our wax right here. We're gonna spray our towel and just do the finishing touch on this. Make sure you wipe evenly, up and down. We're gonna pick up the rest of the water that the blower didn't take off. Different towel, what we're gonna do now is we're going to just finish off our windows. We're gonna spray them and wipe them until there's no streaks. I'm gonna flip the towel the other way and finish it off with the dry side. Regular HVLP gun from Harbor Freight, and we're just gonna put some tire shine in here. Just makes the tire shine application process a lot quicker. If you don't have these at home, you can check out my last video and do it the way we did it there. Regular paintbrush, cup, but since we do have this, we're gonna use this. You set your PSI at about 30 and you just spray as if it were a paint gun. The people worried about the overspray, we really don't get too much overspray. As you can see on the paint, there's none. All you have to do is just keep a low PSI, and that way there's not too much flying around in the air. All right, so there you guys have it. These are our steps here at Perez Auto Detail. Once again, what we do with a maintenance car. This car just got wrapped, so all we were doing was just touching up any dirty wheels, any dust on the car from sitting. If you guys did like this video, please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And stay tuned for more videos like this. If you guys have any questions or video ideas, please drop them down in the comments. Stay tuned for the next one. So we got Mo right here. This is him. This is who I was saying. Moemodz. You guys need any wraps, tints, wheels, let them know. Let them know.
Free pilot, sir.
Of course, you know. But anything you guys need, he's located here in Elmwood Park, New Jersey. Make sure to hit him up. He is the best. Check out what he has right here. We've got a McLaren. We've got an AMG GT. Everything. Bentley. He does it all. So for the best part of the video, what you guys want to actually see is the startup and this thing spitting flames. Yeah, we want to see some flames. Let's do it. Let's do it.